PMP Certification in Change Management. PMP Certification is a globally recognized credential offered by the Project Management Institute, PMI, that validates a project manager's expertise in project management practices. Why is change management important for project managers? Change is inevitable in today's dynamic business landscape, and project managers play a crucial role in leading change initiatives within their organizations. By incorporating change management principles into project management practices, project managers can effectively navigate organizational changes, mitigate resistance, and ensure project success. Advantages of PMP certification in change management. Enhance change. Leadership. PMP certification equips project managers with the knowledge and skills needed to effectively lead change initiatives within their organizations. Improved change control. PMP certification enables project managers to establish robust change control processes to monitor and manage changes throughout the project lifecycle. Effective stakeholder management. PMP certification emphasizes the importance of stakeholder management in project success. Certified project managers can leverage stakeholder management techniques to engage project teams, project sponsors, and project stakeholders in change initiatives, ensuring buy-in and support for project objectives. Strategic change implementation. PMP certification equips project managers with the skills needed to plan and implement change initiatives strategically. In conclusion, PMP certification in change management provides project managers with the tools and techniques necessary to navigate organizational changes and drive successful project outcomes.